Hi, Tom Watts with Tech Republic here, on-site at Scale Computing Platform 2026. There's no shortage of innovation across industries right now, and modern infrastructure lies at the heart of most digital transformation projects. Today, I'm speaking with Scale Computing's Chief Strategy Officer, Richard Newman, and Raul Altreche, the Head of Product on the Edge Computing Platform for Scale Computing. Thanks for joining me, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Richard, why is edge computing important to enterprise operations in today's technology ecosystem?
Yeah, there's really two major reasons. The first is we are at a paradigm shift in technology overall as we move from older legacy architectures, three-tier client serving, to the new thing, which is cloud plus edge, microservices, containers, and virtualization. So, if you're going to implement something now today and you're not doing it with that, sort of cloud plus edge, you're probably missing out. But the second one, which is probably equally, if not more important, is the rise of AI and ML and machine learning in general. Those systems need an edge to function in the real world, in the physical world. And if you don't have a place to run those applications, then you're going to be deploying a lot of point solutions, purpose-built systems. You end up with sprawl. It just doesn't work. Edge solves to that.
And obviously, technology is moving so quickly today, guys. What are some of the challenges that enterprise organizations face when they're trying to deploy to the edge and effectively leverage computing resources?
Well, the first one is they're not prepared, typically for the complexity. We try to make it simple. We try to make it easy. We've got both reference architectures and software that actually really works. So you can get the benefits of edge without sinking your organization at the end of the day.
It's the blend between being able to run legacy systems and introduce newer types of services all in parallel without needing to sacrifice where you currently are to where you want to be.
How does Scale Computing's approach to edge computing address those challenges in ways that maybe other competitors or on the market can't or don't?
So the first one is, we try to be comprehensive. We're a full stack solution. It's not just the platform, but it's the networking, it's the security, and the ability to layer those components from a single vendor and make it all work together. We're also very focused on value of the product. We're very focused on making it highly supportable, highly operational.
And what does that mean from a product perspective for you, Raul?
Well, it's important to understand how people are using it across all the various types of use cases and making sure the system is pliable, making sure it's reliable, making sure it's adaptable. So folks have confidence when they're using it for all the various different kinds of use cases.
And I guess it's pretty fair to say that AI adoption is going to continue and at pace. So lots to bear in mind for enterprises. So I guess, Richard, what's your message to enterprise leaders who are thinking of modernizing their architecture in the coming year?
Well, make sure, first of all, you understand all your options. There are a lot of providers out there. The biggest and best known names are not necessarily the best solutions in the space. We're not going to sit and tout ourselves out over anyone else as part of this conversation. But I will say, if you don't know what's there, you may not be making the right choice. The other thing, and I kind of touched on this in my last response, is understand the complete problem. It's not just about getting something implemented, it's about supporting it. It's about understanding what the total cost of ownership is. And it's having a platform that's open enough to take on the challenges that you don't even know are coming without being locked in by any one vendor.
Some really great insights in the conversation. Thanks for spending the time with us today, guys. Richard, Raul, appreciate it. And thank you to you for watching as well. I've been Tom Watts with Tech Republic. Find out more about Scale Computing Platform 2026, please visit techrepublic.com.